Are you tired of endless email threads and chaos in web projects? Imagine your clients leaving feedback directly on their website. BugHerd makes this a reality with effortless feedback solutions. Clients can point, click, and comment, streamlining your feedback process. You'll get direct insights that save you time and keep projects on track, ensuring happier clients every time. With automatic capture of technical info, BugHerd provides essential data for quick resolutions. Plus, its Kanban board transforms feedback into organized tasks for your team. BugHerd stands out with seamless integration into your existing tools, making user acceptance testing simple and efficient. Join countless satisfied users and transform your UAT experience today. Start your free trial and see the difference.